Now who is not one of Oke-Ite? I'm about to stop somebody and Mazi Dibia.
Let us throw challenge with Ndi Dibia na ndị ụka. Kpọpụta na ndị amụma anụ. Onye amụma anụ sị na ọ na-achị ọkụ. I am throwing open challenge to you people.
When you finish the million, I'm Mbaka. So tell him I say so. So this is more 2 days for him to pick this date. 7 days I give him. So more 2 days to go. Not after I go and come out and start making more. And this will be my last challenge. Eweilo and Mazi Dibia join together.
I want this video to go to Ebube Monso. I want this video to also go to Father Mbaka. I want this video to also go to Ebuka Obi and so many pastors. Mention their names. I want them to see this challenge. Let them accept it.
Mazi Dibia and Eweilo, I have accepted your open hearing challenge. I can't watch you people destroy Igbo youth in the name of freedom, women and eternal occultic kingdom.
Mazi Dibia say, enwere onye ahụ nọ na Anambra State si na amụma ya ka nke anyị nwa bụ Ndị Dibia. I will pick Ndị Dibia ịtọ alongside myself ọ bụrụ 4. Then ndị amụma kachasị ebu ama, even ndị tụrụ ọsọ na mbọ n'anya. Let us line 1,000 strangers. Ọ bụ na anyị nwa bụ Ndị Dibia atọrọ ndị akpụkpọ mmedebe dibia.
The same way I destroy Oke-Ite, I'm here to destroy Samari and your Aroburago na Ibubo.
Mgbe anyị na-eje ụka, akọla anyị akọ etu Elijah na ndị ama abalị si wee ma aka, right? Ụmụ ya lia dị aka na Anambra kịta ya anyị adọba alụsị sinyere ite ọ na-apụ anwụ. Fanwa bịa n'aka maasị that day. Then
Mazi Dibia and Eweilo, who are you to challenge Chukwuka Dibia, Almighty Yahweh? Have accepted your healing challenge. Pick a date and pick a venue. If I did not heal more than your Aloblago and the Samari, let Governor Sorudo close my church and jail me. But if I heal more than you people, they will jail you.
Send the earlier pastor again and then I chalk for your own benefit. This is the reason why you get you way here.
Now who is not one of Oke-Ite? I'm about to stop somebody and Mazi Dibia. Almost people will go put it on them. We Yahweh. We don't worship idol. We don't worship Okalakwu. We don't worship Nmiri. What you want to go? The God of our father. The God of God and counterfeit. Where is Mazi Dibia? My body will be clear. I will send you better. When you finish the million, I'm Mbaka. So tell him I say so. So this is more 2 days for him to pick this date. 7 days I give him. So more 2 days to go. Not after I go and come out and start making more. And this will be my last challenge. Eweilo and Mazi Dibia join together. Yes, they have been learning from me because they know I am the more powerful prophet. So at this time, that time I was facing Akwa-Okuko, I finished with Akwa-Okuko. Mazi Dibia, Eweilo, you people have been deceiving people because I was on my upset. But right now, Abatagom, Mazi Dibia, it's now Yahweh Kwensu. Mazi Dibia, Eweilo. If you fail this challenge, here they got bon corner. If you say this challenge, you must come and prove to us how somebody become God of Ndibo. You must come and prove to us how Ekwensu become God of Ndibo. Mazi Dibia, my body with me clear. I will send you to Ezra or Chukwuka Dibia. Mbasa Marioko the same way. Njueba Akwa-Okuko Tiwaraki or Chukwuka Dibia. I don't need any prophet to join me. Gather all your powers. Gather all your dirty doctors. Put a date and pick a venue. So Rudo, give us date and give us a venue. If I win Samari and if I win Mazi Dibia and Eweilo, you jail them and burn their idol in Anambra State and banish them. If they win me, you jail me and banish me from Anambra State. This will be a good challenge. So no need of making noise. Instant healing. And I war and I confirm. And I war and I confirm. The doctor's report. Only a test. Double HIV. Double cancer. Double kidney problem. Double attack. May they come out. Pick a data, pick a venue. Mazi Dibia and Eweilo. Chukwuka Dibia. This time, you have done the lock. Last time I was not around. But right now, I'm back. Eweilo and Mazi Dibia. My wife. Who also, no. Who also here on. Who name on? Don't worry. Now, one more for the Mazi Dibia. Today is the 5 of 7 days challenge. I will send Mazi Dibia better. Enough is enough of enough is enough of one. Enough is enough of idol worshippers to challenge the Almighty Yahweh. Who are you? Who can battle with Yahweh? Who is that uncircumcised sister that can challenge the Almighty God? Mazi Dibia, you are beating more than I can shoot. Mazi Dibia, you are beating more than I can shoot. I will send you desert. Almost from one road. Okay, Rugo, by the mouth, okay, this is part of Yahweh. All my Chukwuka, but the Yahweh Chukwuka, power. The first son of Yahweh. Oh, yes, all your heart, dear, how do you see? Mazi Dibia, I saw your heart, do you see? I'm married up, okay, one more. Also, now, boss, Yahweh. Yahweh, don't kill us, don't destroy us, but you have been making noise. Mazi Dibia, come here. Nmiri will. You have been causing evil in Igbo land. I will send you to Israel. Where is your second Mazi Dibia? Where is your second? Nmiri will. I will destroy. My boss and my elbow. And my wall. Spiritual warlord. I will send Mazi Dibia desert. Power. You have been making noise. You have been deceiving people. Mazi Dibia, Nmiri will. Take challenge. Come out without your useless power. Nmiri will. You have been deceiving people with Aruse, Samari. You have been deceiving our people.